Hindi siya popular na ano. So, na school. So, ayan. I just wanna share to you yung kung gaano nag-provide si God sa life ko with regards to my studies. So, I just want to testify how He really provides for me. And yun, supposed to be graduate na ako. Kaso, I stopped for 2 years because lack of finances. Yung mama ko, wala siyang trabaho. She's just using her skill in cooking. Nagtitinda siya ng lutong ulam, so as a source of income. Then my dad naman, he passed away 14 years ago, so 6 years old ako nun. So sabi ko,
yes, sorry, you live in a single parent home. Kailan ka nag-stop ng schooling? College or high school?
Yung after graduated in
high school, nag-stop ka na 2 years to help your mom. And then now you're in school.
Yes.
And you're, what year na?
3rd year.
3rd year, alright. 3rd year, okay.
So, yeah.
Sorry. Okay.
So, 3rd year na po ako ngayon. So, ayun, I have through that circumstances na meron kami, or situation in life na sobrang, yung mahirap yung family ko, pero I really have a dream na sabi ko, Lord, I really want to pursue my studies. I really want to finish my studies. Kahit ano gagawin ko, just to finish it. So, I decided to go to Manila, as I asked help to my tita. Sabi ko, tita, can I ask help na gusto kong mag-aaral. So sabi niya, okay, so, hanap ka ng work, then I will provide for your house. So yun, naghanap ako ng work, then yun, natanggap ako sa Jollibee. So God really provides. He gave me this verse in Jeremiah 29:11. Sabi niya dito, for I know the plans that I have for you, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Then you will call upon me and pray, and I will listen to you. So through that prayer, I'm holding on that verse na binigay niyo sa akin. Sabi ko, Lord, kahit anong mangyari, I know that you have plans for me and makakatapos ako ng pag-aaral. Then from 1st year to 3rd, up until now, I'm a working student. So being a working student is not that easy. Sobrang mahirap siya, nakakapagod,
Paano schedule mo ka?
From 7:30 to 4:30 in the morning, nasa school ako. Right after my school, kailangan ko nang pumunta sa work kasi meron akong
Anong oras yung work mo?
6 p.m. to 11, and sa next day ako to 1 a.m. So nakaka-uwi ako mga 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. So I have to get up like 6 a.m. para prepare to school again.
Pero you said you're a scholar, so ibig sabihin meron kang
So
target na
na-grade. So parang, grabe, sobrang faithful na God. He really provides. Sobrang inalam niya ako na ma-maintain ko yung scholarship ko. So, kahit na nag-work ako, at the same time nag-aaral ako, He really provides. Meron akong scholarship sa school. I'm a dance lister. So, ayun. So, through the grace of God, sobrang sustain yung pag-aaral ko, sobrang kahit mahirap, kahit yung allowance ko is enough lang, pero God really teaches me how to be parang a good steward, so parang binabudget yung money ko talaga.
Alright, let me just remind you, si Kat kasi kasama ko sa youth ministry 2 years ago when I was still going to New Manila. She would be there all the time. I didn't know. Ngayon ko na narinig na working student siya, no? Tumutulong siya sa youth ministry. You were so active then. I always see you in every meeting. You're making disciples. Yung pala nagtatrabaho sa Jollibee. Tapos, scholar ka pa pala ng bayan, no? And it's just amazing how this girl has really shown to us what perseverance, what hard work is, and what believing God for, and really have that faith na makatapos siya ng pag-aaral. No? You're in your 3rd year right now, tama? And sige, since in the spirit of Christmas, anong wish mo? Kung may wish ka lang, right? Anong wish mo?
And so yung wish ko, for the past 3 years kasi I'm working, so parang I'm praying to God, Lord, I want to study naman to become a full-time student. Sabi ko, gusto ko ma-experience on how to become a student na mag-aaral ako na hindi ako nag-work. Gusto ko mag-aaral na ma-experience ko man lang na, ay, college na pala ako. So, kahit at least 1 year lang, na 4th year na ako, may experience ko na, college na ako. So, yun, kahit 1 year.
Alright, you know, palapakan natin si Carmen. Let's just thank God. Teka lang, dito ko muna. like to pray for you, but also through some generous members of this church, Kat, we have a surprise for you. We'd like to, alam mo, narinig ko lang mata niya, naiyak na ako, and we have a surprise for you. Somebody wants to give you some money, no, for your education. Pwede ba nating labas yung regalo natin, Dave? Yan, i-encash mo na lang itong malaking cheque natin. No? Sige. Baka pwede na yan, no? Medyo, we'd like to really honor somebody who works really hard, and I think this is good investment. This is something na alam namin yung 20,000 napakaliit lang. I know 20,000 won't be able to help you, no, in a long term, no, na 1 year. Siguro, libre na ba yung pagkain sa Chowking na sa Jollibee? Libre na. Okay na yun. At least may pagkain ka na, may food allowance ka na. But also, we'd like to thank the generous members of this church. Palakpakan nyo rin naman yung sarili nyo, no, for yan, sige. Gusto mo lang po niya, lagay mo na sa wallet mo. Alright. Can we just stretch out our hands to